My dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Medium School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an information and technology class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, revision, chapter 1, short question 1, 2 and 3. So let's see, my dear students. Our today's class 6, subject ICT, topic revision. Chapter 1, short question 1, 2, 3. So this is a revision work. Lecture 18, term obviously, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see. As you can see, topic chapter 1, short question 1, 2, 3, and this is revision work, Haveli exam, lecture 18. So our first question is, number 1, from chapter 1, mention the use of technology in the field of education. So, answer is, many interesting items of education can now be shown through multimedia. Scientific matters can be displayed on the screen, and even one can appear at the examination through computer without writing anything in examination script. Now, a student has to go to school carrying a bag full of books. This will not be needed after a few years. Why? Students will be able to keep thousands of books of a library in an e-book along with his textbooks. Beside this, ICT can be used in different ways in the field of education, such as number 1, taking admission in the universities and colleges of foreign countries. Number 2, communicating with teachers in online. Number 3, communicating with different teachers around the world. So this is the answer of question number 1. Mention the use of technology in the fields of education. Number 2, what is data called? Answer, the small unit of information is called data. The raw material used in processing to get output or result is called data. Data can be presented as the list of values of graphs and variables. The result that is found by processing, directing and accumulating various types of data is called information. If information is transferred in the human brain, its power increases. So the data is considered as the base of knowledge. Again, it can be said that data is some kind of sign, and when anything is referred by it, then it is turned into information. Number 3, what does global village mean? Answer, as a man can communicate with another man in a village at any moment, just like this, the entire world has now become one village. Anyone can contact with anyone, and from this concept, the new term global village has been coined, has been taken. Everything to this effect has been possible due to information technology. In real term, we are living in a global village. Through this technology, though we are not close physically, but virtually we all are very close to one another. So my dear students, that is for today. Keep practicing at home, avoid good parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.